So in order to draw a torso, head is an egg, neck is a cylinder, torso is the box. Easy. Then all you've got to do is add these trapezoid muscles that are on either side of your neck that hold your neck in place. It's just a little triangle shape. You see this triangle shape here? And that ends up giving you everything you need to get your body started. So egg shape, cylinder shape, box for the torso, and then a triangle for the trapezoidal muscles, traps, the gym junkies call them. And then you just go down and design everything else from there.